Namaste, everybody. Welcome to day 5 of the 5-day face yoga workshop that all of you all have given yourself time. We did see a lot of further registrations for the weight loss workshop and the PCOS workshop that's happening in October. To all the participants from this particular program who've registered for that, please be active on your email. You'll get the links for both your PCOS workshop, your weight loss workshop, and the third face yoga workshop batch 3 in October, which you can absolutely attend for free. So thank you once again. Mansi, thank you as well for being an amazing part and spending your time as well with us. Hope you're having a great time. You're on mute. Without any further delay, I would request Mansi to take this session, and like every other format, what we'll do is take this session, we'll do a repeat, we'll ask questions, and then we'll end with a little bit of pranayama, meditation, gratitude guided. Today we'll try taking a few more extra questions before we end the 5th day. Most importantly, by Wednesday / Thursday, maximum by Wednesday, you will get all the 5 days recordings. You will get the diet chart that you will need to follow. You will also get steps on how to make different kinds of face masks, and you can use them at home. So Mansi, thank you so much. Over to you, host. You can change the spotlight to Mansi.
Good evening, everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. Hope everyone is okay. So let's start yoga. Please join your hands, close your eyes, relax yourself. First, inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now we'll chant Om 3 times very slowly. Inhale first. Inhale. Inhale. Relax yourself. Rub your palm, generate heat. Keep it on your eyes, hold there for 10 seconds. Again, rub your palm, generate more heat. Just hold your face. Relax. So let's start our segment today for acne and pigmentation. First of all, we need to understand our face. There are 3 layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis, upper, middle, and lower layer of your skin. We are going to work in our 3 layers today. We are going to exercise there. So all the impurities, all the dirt will come out and you will get a clean, clear, flawless skin. So let's start face yoga for acne and pigmentation. But before that, we'll do some kriya. This kriya is also very good for your cleansing. These are very simple kriya. We did also samanya kriya. We'll do samanya kriya is very good kriya. This is for your cleansing system. This is very good for your lungs, kidney. So we'll do it. This is very easy. Keep your hand here. Just you need to increase the speed of your breathing while exhaling and inhaling. So let's do it. This is very simple and it calms your mind also. Keep your hand here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Understand your body, understand your pace. Breathing is very important. It is connected with your mind and body. I'm going to test your immunity. Immunity is very important. It is not an overnight process. By doing this simple kriya, we are going to hold our breath for 10 seconds. Very easy. So let's do it. This is very important kriya for your immunity also. Keep your hand here. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Hold. Stomach will go more inside. Hold there. We can hold for just release. We can hold 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. We can also hold for a minute. So we'll do it. We are just going to hold today for 10 seconds. We'll do it again. Inhale. Hold your breath. Count inside. Focus. Exhale. Stomach will go more inside. Just hold here. It is difficult to live without breath, but sometimes it is very important to hold, because yoga, inhale, exhale, and hold. This three is very important pranayama. We need to understand that. Let's do it again. Inhale. Hold there. Relax yourself. Exhale. Hold. Relax yourself. Do this. This is very good for immunity. अभी जो कोरोना का टाइम है, इसमें इम्यूनिटी को बूस्ट करना, इम्यूनिटी को इंक्रीज करना is very important. So do this kriya, hold for 10 seconds. Gradually you can increase it. This is very important kriya. This we call samanya kriya. So let's do other exercise today, other kriya today for acne and pigmentation. We'll do kriya. This is very simple and very easy kriya. First, look up. Now exhale for 10 count. Go down. Chin lock. Lock your chin. Now make a balloon and hold. Relax. We'll do it again. This is very important for your acne. So look up first, exhale. Exhalation is important. Clear all the bad toxins from your body as well as your face. So let's do it. Look up. First look up, stretch your jaw, shoulder. Always try to sit straight in yoga. Now exhale. Make a balloon and hold. Lock. Jalandhar Banda, lock. Relax. Let's do it again. Last time. This is very important. Look up. Just 10 count. Relax, go down. Now make a balloon and hold. Lock your chin. Relax. So this is very important for your face. Your muscles will get contracted, blood circulation will improve. You won't get any acne or pigmentation. Pigmentation is okay. We can apply papaya also weekly once. We can apply papaya and shad, honey. We can mix it well, apply it for 5 minutes only, and wash it with warm or either with cold water. It's very important for the pigmentation. So we'll tell you another exercise. This we call bird pose. This is also a beautiful pose for acne and pigmentation. Very easy. We need to keep our thumb here. Hold your breath. Hold for 10 seconds first. Now inhale from your mouth and tilt your head back. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold and inhale, exhale from your mouth itself. So we'll do it. This is very important for purification, for cleansing. So please hold it with your thumb. Now first hold your breath for 10 seconds. Then we'll start. Start. Inhale. Exhale. 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 Relax. This is very simple kriyas for acne and pigmentation, and always, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ, prevention is better than cure. We won't get any acne, any pimple, any pigmentation if we do this three kriya. This three kriya is very important, and you will get 100 of benefits by this kriya. So let me tell you asan. Before that, I'm going to tell you some pressure. These pressures are very good for the blood circulation, for the blood, more blood flow in our face. So let's do it. First, keep your finger here. These are very important pressure for your acne, for your pigmentation. Just hold here for 10 seconds first. Anytime, anywhere, we can do face yoga. Just hold here for 10 seconds. These are very important pressures which I'm going to tell you today. I called it anti-aging pressure also. Make sure we are doing in a proper way. Center of your forehead. Just hold here. Why middle finger, index finger? Because it is connected with our brain and nervous system. You will get instant result. Just hold here. Now rotate. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is very good for migraine also. Now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again, just hold here. We don't need to go for parlor for facial. So this is instant facial, which I'm going to tell you today. Just hold here. These pressures are very important pressure. We should not put much pressure, just light pressure. So this is our first point. Now, second point. Do this, we will never go for facial or anything. Hold here. Just hold here. This is very important pressure for sleep also. So hold here, please. This will relax your nervous system, your brain. We can easily control our age by face yoga. Just hold here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Now third pressure. Just hold here. Stretch it. Hold here for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, this is also very important pressure for acne, also for the puffiness. Hold here. Keep your 3 fingers here. Just hold here. Just hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, very important pressure for the pigmentation. Buck, just hold like this and curl your lips inside. To count 10 inside. Relax. This is very important pressure for acne pigmentation. I never use any cosmetic. This is all natural. Now, other pressure for your lip area. Just press it like this. So making a pout and press it. Right. Now, your chin area, press it to upward direction and make a O. Stretching it downwards, make a O. We'll get a proper stretch. This is very important pressure. Like body, we exercising our facial muscle. These are very important pressures for your face. Now other pressure beside your ear, just hold here and look up. Relax. Now last, collarbone. Keep your hand like this, press it downward. Just hold here. This is very important pressure for your face, anti-aging pressure. Just hold here and look up. Relax. Now clench your teeth, look up. Hold here. This is very important pressure, collarbone, look up. Now clench your teeth. Relax. Let's do it again. This is very important for acne pigmentation. Hold here. Make sure you keeping your hand in a right. We have to do in a proper way. That is important. So keep your hand here on your collarbone. Now look up, clinch, smile. Relax. Let's do it again last time. Hold here. Look up. Clinch. Smiling up, smiling down, smiling. Always keep smiling. Very important for face yoga. We are relaxing our all facial muscles and we are going to be more beautiful by doing this simple face yoga asanas. Let us do our Mahakriya now. We'll tell you another asana for acne pigmentation, but let's do Mahakriya first. It is very important Kriya. I already told you my weight is very much controlled by this Kriya only. So let's do it. Keep your hand like this. Always try to sit straight while doing yoga. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale from mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very slowly go down and exhale. Please come up. This is very important Kriya, Mahakriya. Mahakriya is the best Kriya for detoxification, for diabetes, for BP. And we can also start, you can also start taking bay leaf water. Every night, just soak bay leaf. Every morning, we can take that glass, empty stomach, we can take glass of bay leaf. It's very useful, very good detoxification. We can do it. And we'll tell you another asanas for acne and pigmentation. This is also very good asana. This is my favorite asana. So we'll do it. Now, look to your right side first. Hold there. You will get proper stretch. Just hold. Now pull your tongue out. Relax. Again, look to your left side. We always start face yoga from right, then left. Look to stretch your neck properly. Look there. Shoulder should be straight. Make sure about it. Now, pull your tongue out for 10 seconds. Relax yourself, change the side, go to right side, first hold there for 10 seconds. Stretch it properly. This is very important for acne. Pull your tongue out. Change the side. Hold there first for 10 seconds. Pull your tongue out. chain the side last time, third time. Hold there for 10 seconds first. Pull your tongue out. Again, pull your tongue out. First hold. Relax yourself, relax. We'll do some neck movement. It's very important. We'll do now left to right. We'll do some neck movement. Relax yourself, relax your body, relax your mind. Relax. Now chain the side. Rotate it properly. Just relax. Chin down, relax for 10 seconds, look down. Come up. I don't know why people, they can't meditate. What is meditation? Meditation is what living in a present moment is called meditation. So please do yoga with me. It's very important. In my next workshop, I will tell you how to make a natural face wash also. That will be very good for your skin. And please don't touch, because if you have acne and pigmentation, don't touch your face every time. मैं सबको देखती हूँ, सब अपने फेस को टच कर रहे होते हैं. I can't understand. Please don't touch. Or if you want to touch, sanitize, wash your hand. It is important. And very important thing, every morning, wash your face, fill it with water, then wash it properly. It's very important. And how to wash your face, it's also very important in our face yoga technique. Always try to wash twice or thrice a day. That is more than enough. And मेकअप अप्लाई करते हैं, तो मेकअप के लिए मैं ये चीज बोलूंगी, वी रिमूव मेकअप बाय ऑयल sometime with makeup remover also, but afterwards just mild face wash से भी अपना face wash करके then only go to sleep. And makeup को ज्यादा टाइम तक फेस पे मत रखिए. It's not good for कोई भी केमिकल्स हो. It's not good for your skin. And अगर आप फेस योगा करेंगे तो naturally beautiful रहेंगे. Then we don't need to apply any cosmetics. Now we'll tell you one very important thing. This is also very good for your acne and pigmentation. Squeeze pose. Squeeze pose is good pose for acne and pigmentation. So we'll do it. Keep your hand like this. Now squeeze, hold your face. Relax. Hold and hold your breath also. It's very important. This is very important. और ऑक्सीजन का फ्लो बढ़ेगा, then आपके फेस में natural youthful vitality आएगी, that make you look younger, beautiful, and also आपको कभी भी pimple, acne नहीं होगा. So let's do it. Keep your hand like this and squeeze. Relax. We'll do it again 3 times. Our principle of face yoga. So hold. Squeeze it properly. Relax yourself. Now, last, we'll do palming pose. It's very good pose. Relax your all facial muscle, release your all stress and pain. Hopefully, you all enjoying my face yoga session. And so, please, we'll do palming pose. Rub your palm. Now, first, keep on your forehead. Just hold there for 10 seconds. Relax yourself. Again, rub your palm, generate more heat. Keep it on your eyes. Relax yourself. We're taking all pranic energy. Rub your palm. Hold your face. Hold there for 10 seconds. Relax yourself. Now last, for your acne and pigmentation, last pressure I'm going to tell you. This is very important pressure. It will help you to clear all the bad toxins from your face. It's very easy. Now look up, press your jaw muscle upward direction. Do it for 15 counts and relax. First look up, please sit straight, very important. Always try to put pressure upward direction. Make sure about it. It will help you to increase blood also. Very important, clear all the impurities from the face. कुछ और करें ना करें, ये मसाज जरूर करें. This is very important. Relax. So this is all about our acne pigmentation segment. And one more exercise will tell you, last exercise. This is very easy exercise. This is for the blood circulation. We'll do it. We need to say ah. Relax. Let's do it again. We'll do again. This vibration is very important, make you more positive. Sound is very important for our life. Sound make you more positive, and this is very important vibration for your face also. So please do face yoga. We'll come again with our next workshop, and next time I will tell you how to make natural face wash and natural makeup also we can make. So we'll tell you in our next workshop. And stay healthy, stay happy.
Thank you so much, Mansi. Before we do a recap of today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask a lot of questions have been coming. Let's spend about 10-15 minutes to answer all these questions so that it's simpler, and then we can take it from here, right? Let me take it one by one. So a lot of people are asking, is there a particular uh, way, which is, can they mix all the days up or should it be followed in the same manner? I see a lot of people asking similar questions that can they mix up the days?
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will tell you one very good regime, like daily regime. We can do that for face yoga. We'll tell this is very important. We can do it. I'm going to tell you 5 exercises, but whatever I told you in 5 days, please make sure आप उसको alternative करें. But I'm going to tell you one 5-minute exercise for face yoga. So let's start. First, we are going to do balloon pose. This 5 poses is very important for your face. Make a balloon and hold. This is first exercise. Please make sure you're at least holding for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, gradually you can increase it. So this is first exercise we can include. Now second exercise for your eye. This is very important. I told you the pressure. First, keep your fingers here, 3 fingers only. Make sure about it. Stretch it. Now look up. So this is second exercise. Hold there for 10 seconds. Now third exercise. Third exercise is beautiful asana. It's for dark circles, for the puffiness. Middle finger, index finger. Please don't do like this. Keep your finger here only. Now stretch it downward and turn your eyeball up. Look up. Relax yourself. Now, fourth exercise. Just hold here. This is very important pressure for your this lines also and very good for anger. Please hold here. While holding, please don't make any wrinkles, any line. Just hold here. Swipe. Now with your index finger, start rotating your eyeball. Reverse. Okay. Now, curl your lips inside and smile. You need to feel pressure here. Relax. This exercises, make sure you're doing every day, and please do all the exercises alternative days. These are all beautiful poses we can do. We just need to add 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that is all. So please do these exercises.
Uh, how many hours before meals can they do this? How empty should their stomach be? 2 hours, 3 hours?
2 hours.
Okay, so 2 hours before your stomach should be empty, 2 hours at least before you start doing these exercises. Fantastic. I'll just give you some more. I'm 8 years old. Can they do these exercises?
We have started from the age of 9. Anyone, anytime we can start. No problem.
So an 8-year-old can do, even though 9 is just 1 year above, 8-year-old can start these exercises. Great.
Make sure your skin is not dry while doing any facial exercises. So we can apply any cream, anything while doing exercises or face yoga. Please don't keep your skin dry while doing exercise.
So there's a lot of questions on whether they can mix up these exercises. Guys, just want to kind of make it clear, you can mix it up. There is no particular order per se that you can kind of do these exercises. Yes, we have taught the exercises basis on the benefit of that exercise that will give, like for acne, for anti-aging and so on. When you get the recordings next week along with the diet, a lot of these questions will be answered. You know, please go through the entire program, because a lot of y'all came a little later, etc. A lot of y'all have asked a similar question, and we have been kind of telling about the order of exercises is not important. What is important is y'all actually practicing it. I have been seeing phenomenal difference in the 4th day. Thank you so much. It's been great. So that's Mansi. A lot of people are saying that they've already started seeing differences in the 4th day itself, and they've been hearing it from other people too. So that's great. A lot of people are asking whether they can, is there any exercises specifically for the lips?
Really, this pressure which I told you is very important. Pressure for your lips also. Make a spout and press it.
Great.
It's very important.
Can we add green tea bags to the bay leaf water in the morning?
Yeah, we can, no problem.
Great. Can the pressure points be repeated?
We'll do in recap.
Okay, we are going to be doing it in the recap. Fantastic. Again, similar question of whether they can do it 5 days or what. This link is not open. How can pigmentation be around the mouth? Mansi not audible. How many times do we need to inhale and exhale in bird pose?
10 counts.
10 counts. Okay. Is raw papaya good for the skin?
A lot of vitamins.
Vitamins. Okay. While we inhale, it is easy to hold, but it's more difficult to hold while we exhale. Is it normal? It's absolutely normal. Don't worry at all. Can we do this Kriya after eating? No, we mentioned all these exercises must be done 2 hours prior to food. People are asking, is there any specific yoga exercises for the eyes?
Yes, yesterday we did. This is very important exercise for the eye. So do that. In the recording, you can go through that. It's a very beautiful exercise for your eye.
Okay, a lot of people are asking about the eyes. Great. What is the best position to sleep? Thank you for conducting the workshop. I can see the notice in my face. That's fantastic. What is the best time to do face yoga? There's no best time. You can do it, practice it at any time, just before 2 hours before food. Fantastic. So a lot of y'all can write to say hello at sarva.com. The information will be mentioned. Mansi, you can go through an entire recap now, and everybody can just quickly write down the stuff if you all want to, but don't worry. All the 5 days recordings with the diet chart, with the facial yoga mask that you can put up and make naturally at home, all of them will come to you within a week's time. So Mansi, go ahead.
Okay. Let's start. First, we'll do palming pose. I'm already doing it. Okay. We'll tell you Kriya. This is very important Kriya. We'll start with the bird pose. It's very easy Kriya. Hold it. First, hold your breath. Now, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. It's very easy and very simple. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Now we'll do asana. First, I'm going to tell you the pressure, which you already asked for. It's very easy pressure. Keep your two fingers here, index finger, middle finger, because it is connected with your brain and nervous system. Just hold here for 10 seconds. These are beautiful pressures, anti-aging pressure. आपको कभी facials नहीं कराना पड़ेगा if we do this pressure. These are very easy and very simple pressure. Now, rotate. Reverse. Do it for 10 count. 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold there. Relax. Now second pressure. With your index finger, just hold here. Corner of your brow. Make sure about it. You're doing in a right way and you're putting pressure in upward direction. Just hold there. This is very important for sleep also. Third pressure. Hold here. Stretch it. Hold there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this pressure, 3 fingers here on your cheekbone. Please don't keep it here. Keep here. If you need more relaxation, please look up. Relax. Now, this is very important for your lips and very important for your this lines also. Let's do it. Make a pout and put pressure. Press it. Hold and press. Do it for 10 count. Okay, now keep your finger here, make a O and hold, stretch it properly. Teeth should be hidden, make sure about it. This is very important pressure for acne. Relax. Now, beside your ear, hold here. Now, collarbone. Keep your finger here. Look up first. Clench your teeth. Second, 15-second, gradually we can increase it. This is very important asanas, pressure for your face. Now we'll tell you exercise. Very easy. Look to your right side. First look and hold for 10 seconds. Just hold there. Now pull your tongue out. Relax, chin the side. First hold. Sorry. Hold there. Pull your tongue out. Relax yourself. This is very important for acne, pigmentation, for pores also. So last squeeze. Keep your hand here and squeeze. Relax, release. So thank you everyone for joining us, and thank you Sarvesh for inviting me. It's a beautiful workshop. I really enjoyed a lot. So really thank you. Please do face yoga. But in our next workshop, definitely I will tell you how to make natural makeup and natural face wash also. Thank you, Sarvesh.
Thank you so much, Mansi, for joining this wonderful workshop that has been kind of organized by Sarva, taken by you. Truly appreciate all the efforts that you kind of have been giving us for a very, very long time now, since probably 2014. I'm going to be doing a quick, it's quite an amazing meditation. It's called A Journey to Surrender. What all of us have forgotten today is to surrender ourselves, right? What I mean by surrender is you don't need to surrender it to a person or a thing. You need to start being open and completely open from every aspect of life. What people do today is take a nice photo on Instagram, smile, and then they start crying. You need to start being vulnerable. There is no harm in crying. There is no harm in feeling bad. There is no harm in surrendering. But the first step towards change is acceptance. So we're going to be doing this very, very nice meditative practice. It's called A Journey to Surrender. I would like all of you all to sit back straight, roll your shoulders backwards, drop it down, hands on the knee first, okay? You're completely relaxed, back straight, spine straight, okay? Take both your palms together this way, and then slightly drop your head and close your eyes this way, right? So you don't press, just gently, right? It's like you've covered yourself. Now this entire spot is your place. This entire spot is your place. We're going to be doing a small thing. You can even call it catharsis, which means whatever feeling that you have, love, hate, anger, jealousy, whatever, good, bad, not great, optimistic, pessimistic, positive, negative, all of that needs to come out in the next few minutes. So palms this way, Drop your head down, close your eyes, and just feel this music playing in from literally the bottom of your stomach. It's coming in from the navel, it's flowing in through your heart, and you're feeling this coming out. And as this comes out, your body will become lighter and lighter and lighter. If you give 100%, the music will ensure that your eyes will be teared. Now, gently close your eyes. Gently close your eyes. Your body is relaxed, your spine is straight. Your body is relaxed, your spine is straight. Gently rub both your palms. Rub both your palms. Make sure they become nice and warm. Rub both your palms. Make sure they become nice and warm. And gently place it over your eyes. Don't open your eyes. Bring it in the Namaste position in front of your chest. Thank nature. Thank the Almighty for this wonderful life you have. Thank the Almighty for everything that you have. The family, your friends, the food, the very place that you're sitting right now, living thing, non-living thing. And the most important, pat your back and be grateful for who you are and what you are and where you are. Gently open your palms, drop your heads down, look at your palms and open your eyes. Thank you so much, everybody. I hope you all had a good 5 days. Those of you all who've attended all 5 days, fantastic job. Those of you all who couldn't attend all 5 days, no problem at all. You will be getting the recordings. You will be getting the diet. Please take care of yourself. Take care of your health. One thing that this pandemic has really taught us is please look at health holistically. Don't look at it only as a 1 hour workout. Don't look at it only as going to the gym or even doing a 1 hour of yoga class. Look at it holistically, which is what you do physically, what you think mentally, and what you eat, your food as well. So your food is the best medicine. And if I have to give you 2 very simple tips for all of y'all, is have very light dinner, preferably before 6:30 p.m. and have very light dinner, and anywhere between 2.5 to up to about 4 liters of water every day is fantastic. You will see tremendous difference immediately. Just 2 very simple tips. One is have very light dinner and try having the dinner before 7 p.m. And the second one is drink lots of water every day. So once again, I hope to see a lot of y'all, most of y'all, or all of y'all in our combination workshop, which is the PCOS workshop. By the way, September is the PCOD awareness month. It's fantastic that we've been able to make this. We already have a lot of registrations for the workshop. Please feel free to register. The host has already sent the links to all of y'all. We have a landing page up right now. You can check a lot more information on it. And looking forward to seeing you all there. And all of y'all who've registered for that, looking forward to seeing you all on the Face Yoga workshop in the end of October or the first week of November as well. Thank you so much. Have a great evening. Have a phenomenal weekend ahead. Lots of love, lots of light, and lots of happiness. See you guys.